Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, today I want to show you something about component graphics. Have you ever wondered when you import your model and load your model on Revit floor plans, and it seems like as if some components they are not showing properly in terms of the graphics or the color that they are from the parent or from the family. So today I want to show you how you can find solution to that. It's a quick solution and I trust that it will be helpful. Okay, so I have my floor plan here. So let me load some components to the floor plan first of all. Before you load your components, make sure you turn your graphics to shaded so you can see the color, the shaded color of your component. So I'll go to components, I'll load. Okay, let's load some components into this floor plan. All right, okay. So I've loaded some components to the floor plan, and so if you notice this component, the parts of the component, the shaded materials are showing, but at the toilet areas, the bathroom, no, none of the components, neither the WC, the wash hand basin, or the bathtub, is just showing as 2D lines. If you look at the kitchen countertop, it's just showing as 2D lines. The seat in the living room is just showing as 2D lines. So how do I do this? It's just a simple principle. I can pick anyone, then you can one or two of them, then you can see how it will affect the others. Just basically the same thing with the others. So let me start with this kitchen counter sink. I'll click on the component, edit family. So here, pick the components that you want, all parts of the component or the parts that you think is not showing on the floor plan. Then you see visibility graphics edit. Okay, so some of them are showing, that's why that is there. So let me pick one of them, each of them. Okay, you can see that there's a display in 3D views. The plan slash RCP is not showing. So when you click on that, that's all. Click on this. Okay, this one is showing. Select this one. This one is showing. So load into family. So you can see that the colors have changed to the color of the material I have. So let me pick a wooden material, kind of. Okay, right, all right. So you can see that the material color has changed. So the same thing you can do, I won't do that. For the bathroom, let's select this WC, select the whole thing, edit, click on plan, okay, and that's all. Load into family. Don't save it, override it, and you can see that it has affected the other one. Same thing here, edit this, No, overwrite, and you're good to go. Same thing with this. Same thing with this. Okay. So if you notice you have some components that are loaded and you want to show more like a colored graphics, and some of the components are just showing as 2D lines. Um, this is just a simple way you can edit the family to give you that effect. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.